For a growing company, the challenge is rarely just one project. The real complexity begins when several critical product development projects are moving at the same time. One may be in design, another in toolmaker selection, another in tooling development, another in trials, and another may already be under launch pressure. Every project is at a different stage. Every supplier is different. Every risk is different. And for management, the biggest question becomes, which project needs attention first, and where is control beginning to slip? That is why we created Portfolio Guard. Portfolio Guard is a fixed monthly, multi-project governance retainer. It brings an agreed portfolio of projects into one common governance structure. Each project may require a different depth of governance, but at portfolio level, review rhythm, risk visibility, escalation discipline, and management visibility come into one common structure. In other words, the projects may be different, but the governance rhythm remains one. Hongyi JIG does not execute product design or manufacture tooling. The customer's teams, toolmakers and suppliers execute. Hongyi JIG governs the portfolio. At portfolio level, we create visibility around which projects are active, where decisions are pending, which risks are escalating, where supplier or resource pressure is building, and which project needs management attention first. Another major advantage of Portfolio Guard is flexibility. Within the agreed capacity and agreed governance scope, a new project can be added, and a completed or discontinued project can be replaced, without restarting the entire commercial relationship every time. In other words, the portfolio can change without breaking the governance structure, because one successful project matters. But for a growing business, the real challenge is maintaining control across all critical projects at the same time.